Hello my lovies, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. Today we are going to be doing lip swatches, and in particular the BH Cosmetics regular lipsticks. I have in here 5 colors, so I'm really curious because I got them on sale and there was like ridiculously cheap. I think I paid like $2, $2.50 each, to each for a lipstick, but let's see how well do they perform. So the first color that I'm gonna try is called Alluring. Now this is the color on my lip and on my skin tone. The first positive thought about this lipstick: it doesn't have a strong smell. It doesn't smell like anything. It basically smells like right off the tube. It smells like lipsticks. It doesn't have a particular smell or anything. At least it's not strong enough to which would bother you to wear it. Now this color is definitely not my favorite. However, if you are into bright colors, bright nudes, you might actually enjoy it. It's very comfortable on your lip, and as you can see, it's pretty pigmented. Alright guys, the next color I'm gonna try is called Dark Rose. Again, there is no scent or whatsoever, so it's very comfortable. I'm personally very sensitive to the smells, so if I don't like the smell, I won't be able to wear the lipstick. So far, these are pretty good, so I definitely like them. I love it. Now, I don't know how long wear they are, but at this price, I don't really care. So I don't know about you guys, but if you want me to make a video on trying it, how long does it wear, let me know in the comments down below and I'll try to do some. Another positive thing that I noticed, they don't stain, to which is awesome. I hate when I take off my lipstick at the end of the night and it's like, oh, ugh. Let's say I'm not a fan of that. The next one is called Seduction. This one definitely has a little bit of scent to it, to which I'm not a fan of. However, I do enjoy the color, especially because it makes my teeth white. I love dark lipsticks because they do that. They have that effect. Okay, guys, the next shade is called Blissful. This one has definitely a very strong aftertaste and a regular lipstick kind of smell. It's strong, so it kind of bothers me, so it's definitely a huge pass for me. However, the color itself is pretty, but the smell, nope. The color itself is pretty. It's very pretty. I think it has that purple reflection, to which I don't mind at all. Ugh, but nope. And the last one is in the shade Rapture. Now my lipstick application is not phenomenal today, okay? But we're gonna pass through that because all we're doing is just trying to see the color. How does it look like? Now this one would be more of like a brown, dark red in a way. I'm not sure how to describe it. I mean, you guys can see it yourself. This one does have a little bit of scent. Not too bad though. I don't know if I'm already getting used to it and I'm okay. However, it did, when I started applying it, it did have a little bit of scent, like the regular lipstick scent. However, right now, like it's been, what, half a minute? 1 minute, the scent is gone and it really doesn't irritate me or bother me at all. Once they dry a little bit, I think they're more of like on a matte side. They're very comfortable. I don't feel them on the lip. They're super pigmented. They definitely not patchy, not moving around. So I don't know about you, but I feel like I won the jackpot. Now, these are all the lipsticks. If you guys want me to swatch or try on or test any lipstick in particular, let me know in the comments down below. If I have them, I will. Other than that, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!